Having trouble turning on your camera in Zoom? The solution involves two key steps: ensuring system permissions are enabled and activating your camera within the meeting. First, let's enable camera permissions on Windows 11. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Camera. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled, then find Zoom in the list and toggle it on. On macOS, open System Preferences and navigate to Security and Privacy. Click on the Camera tab, then check the box next to Zoom to grant camera access. For mobile devices, find Zoom in your device settings. On iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, Camera, then enable Zoom. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Zoom, then Permissions, and enable the camera. Once permissions are set, joining a Zoom meeting is simple. Look for the camera icon in the meeting toolbar and click Start Video to turn on your camera. The icon will change to indicate your camera is active. If your camera still isn't working after enabling permissions, don't worry. The next section covers common troubleshooting steps to resolve camera issues. When your Zoom camera isn't working, start with these quick fixes that resolve most issues immediately. Next, try toggling your camera on and off within the meeting. This simple action refreshes the camera connection and often resolves temporary glitches. Check if other applications are using your camera. Only one application can access your camera at a time, so close any other video calling apps or camera software. If quick fixes don't work, the next step is updating your software. Zoom versions 5.17 and later have significantly improved camera detection algorithms. After updating Zoom, restart your computer or device. This ensures all system components are properly refreshed and any conflicting processes are cleared. Camera driver issues are common causes of problems. Outdated or corrupted drivers can prevent your camera from working properly with Zoom. For persistent issues, try these advanced solutions. First, completely reinstall the Zoom application to eliminate any corrupted files or settings. Test with an alternative camera if available. This helps determine if the issue is with your specific camera hardware or with the Zoom software configuration. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Zoom support with diagnostic logs. These logs provide detailed information about your system configuration and help support identify specific issues. These troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 95% of camera issues. Most problems are solved with the quick fixes, while advanced solutions handle the remaining cases.